Alright, so we got a Ford Smart Junction box here. It come in for brake lights, rear signal lights, and windows. Currently I have a mess of wires here connecting it, but just a quick test. This will be the left front blinker. This will be the right front blinker. This will be the left rear blinker. This will be the right rear blinker, and these two also act as the brake lights. Our switch here, this would be, you turn your blinker left, you turn your blinker right, and this is your brake. So first, I'm going to hit the blinker. Alright, so both rear and front are working. We'll hit the next blinker. We have both the rear and the front working. And I'm going to hit the brakes. And we have both brakes working. Still have to test the windows, but so far everything is looking like it's working as it's supposed to. So I'm thinking the customer of this box will probably have grounding issues for the rear lights. If we look at the circuit for the rear lights, let me see, is this the rear? No, this is the front. Is that it? No, that's the front. That's the brakes. What did I do with the rear? Let's see if it's this one. Nope. And it disappeared on me. Okay, here it is. Oh, okay, maybe I did have it open already. So here's the rear. And if you can see, the brake lights and the turn lights for both go to this ground. So I bet you that since the stop and the turn's not working for either light, since they're controlled separately coming this way from the box, like it's two different inputs to the lights. Actually, it's four because the parking light, but on the backside there's only one connection that controls all four, or all six rather, but mainly we're concerned about stop and turn, which is the same filament here. The park is a separate filament, but this ground handles all of it. So I would say you definitely have a problem with this ground. And I would say it's on this part and not in the harness, because this part here is still here. It's two different points. This is the only single point where everything is connected together.